Apple's MacBook Neo shook up the budget laptop market with its $599 price tag and surprisingly capable A18 Pro chip. But Intel may finally have a worthy response. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Intel's upcoming Core 3 304 processor has surfaced, and the results suggest that entry-level Windows laptops could soon be much more competitive. According to new Passmark results, the Intel Core 3 304 achieved an average CPU mark score of 11,543 points, putting it just 2.2% behind the Apple A18 Pro inside the MacBook Neo. In performance, the Intel chip trailed by about 7.7% in average scores, though one benchmark submission even matched the A18 Pro's peak result. What's interesting is that Intel is achieving this with a 5-core, 5-thread design compared to the A18 Pro's 6-core, 6-thread configuration. Core 3 304 is expected to be part of Intel's low-power Wildcat Lake family, aimed at affordable laptops for budget-conscious buyers. Of course, battery life, thermals, graphics performance, software optimization, and overall user experience will still play a major role once products are shipped. But from a pure CPU perspective, Intel appears to be much closer to Apple's latest budget silicone than many would have expected. The funny thing is that the MacBook Neo's biggest selling point wasn't just Mac OS or battery life, it was the idea that buyers could get flagship-level responsiveness at an entry-level price. If Intel can deliver similar everyday CPU performance, it could remove one of Apple's biggest competitive advantages in this area. Of course, benchmarks don't sell laptops. OEM pricing, display quality, memory configurations, and battery life will ultimately determine whether these upcoming laptops can truly challenge the MacBook Neo. Still, if these early numbers hold up, Intel may have just given budget Windows laptops the moment they've been waiting for. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.